Okay, we're taking a look at this 2023 Chevrolet Trailblazer RS model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out, really in outstanding shape. It's got about 29,000 miles on the clock. Beautiful condition. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Super nice. Very nice condition. Giving it a quick walk around here. Really nice. Okay, let's take a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful condition. Take a look. Very nice shape. Take a closer look here at the headlamps. Headlamps are in beautiful condition. Let's look at one. Look at the other one here. Very nice. Lower lights and fog lights also in beautiful shape. Very nice. Take a look at the other one here. Also beautiful condition. Grill's in beautiful shape. RS package. Very nice. Hood's in beautiful condition. Let's take a close look. Really nice shape overall. Has a little blemish here and here on the paint. Besides that, looks very nice. Also has a small little dent that I noticed right over here. Besides that, looks very nice condition. All right, we'll take a look at the front fender on the driver's side. Beautiful condition throughout. Really nice shape, super clean. Taking a look at the driver door. Driver door's in beautiful condition. Let's take a close look here. Let's have a little blemish on the paint right there. Besides that, looks good. Really nice condition. Taking a look at the rear driver's side door. Looks very nice, clean throughout. Quarter panel on the driver's side also in beautiful condition. Looks clean. Really nice shape. Walking on the back here. This one has parking sensors. Hatch is in really nice condition. Beautiful shape. Look at that. Really. Let's take a look at the quarter panel on the passenger side. Looks beautiful. Clean throughout. Very shiny. Really in nice shape. Rear door on the passenger side. Has a tiny little mark here on the paint. Nothing major. Tiny little scratch right there. Take a look at the passenger door in the front. Beautiful condition. Super clean. Let's take a close look. Nothing to show here. Beautiful shape. Take a look at the front fender on the passenger side. Very nice condition. Does have a little blemish here on the paint. Besides that, looks good. Let's take a look at the windshield. The windshield's in beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout. Don't see any scratches or marks on it. Let's take a look. Really nice. We actually have the antenna. We'll put that on. But it doesn't have the antenna on it right now. It just screws right in. No big deal. Beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Okay, that pretty much concludes our walk around on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to take a look at the interior, and then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Take a close look here. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Look at all the controls. Super sharp. All right, let's take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's really nice. Look at that. Beautiful stitching on there. Really nice. Look, super condition. Look at that. Beautiful shape. Really nice. Even on the headrest, it has the same stitching on it. Looks super sharp. Side airbag on the seat. Full power with lumbar. Set of floor mats. Dashboard steering wheel. Everything looks amazing. Really in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side front door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape, very nice. A little bit of storage there. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Controller for the power window, power locks. Handles in beautiful shape. Very nice condition all the way through. This one is a manual seat on the passenger side front. RS model, look at that. It says RS right on the seat. Really nice looking seat. Super nice, look at that. Rugs, beautiful condition. Full set of floor mats. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Really beautiful condition throughout. Very nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear. Driver's side door panel looks amazing, clean throughout, very nice. Take a look at the controller for the power window. Armrest is in great shape. Look at the handle, very nice condition. Let's take a look at the rear seats. Really beautiful shape, nicely appointed. Look at that. Looks amazing. Very nice. Also stitching all the way through, looks super sharp. Full set of floor mats. Take a look at that rear floor mat, one piece there. Very nice. Look at the liner. Liner's in beautiful condition. Looks super sharp. Very nice shape. Really amazing condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Look at that. Very nice shape. Look at that. Amazing condition. A little bit of storage there. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Take a look at the rear seat. Looks amazing. Super clean throughout. Very nice. Really amazing condition. Full set of floor mats. Take a look here. A couple USBs back here. And a power plug for your laptop or whatever. Really nice to have that. Also, armrest here folds down. Really amazing condition. Very nice. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2023 Chevrolet Trailblazer RS model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, really nice shape. We're gonna go ahead and start it up now. Let's take a look at the key fob first. Lock, unlock, remote start, panic. Super nice. We're gonna set that down right here. All right, let's go ahead and press the brake and the start button down here because it is a push button ignition. So right there, starts up perfect. Look at that. The Chevys always have the gauges go all the way up and back down. All the lights turn on and off. Make sure everything's functioning correctly. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features on this, but let's look at the miles. Mileage on this one is 29,198 miles. It's an RS package. It has the automatic on and off for the engine to save fuel. I'll show you a bypass button that it has to bypass it if you'd like. There's a fuel gauge on the bottom, RPMs, super nice. Let's take a look here. Temperature gauge and miles per hour. In the center here, it's got a couple little features here. Oil life remaining, tire pressure sensor, the following distance, that's super nice. Econo, look at that. Go back this way, trip computers, miles per hour, fuel range, that's a nice one to have on there. So we'll go ahead and leave it on vehicle and we'll leave it on following distance. Tire pressure sensors, there you go, following distance. Here we go. So this is the controls for the cruise control right here. Super nice. This is the selection for the collision alert in the front. So you press the button, you can set up the distance if you want it to be shorter or longer. Okay, so we'll leave it on longer. Heated steering wheel, nice feature for you guys up north. Super nice. This here is the information center. That's where we're doing all the changing up here on top. The different selections and stuff we do it with these buttons here. Fantastic. All right, so let's take a look at really quick. This one is the on and off for the engine. When you have it on, that means it's turned off. Otherwise it'll be on. The lane assist thing here, the keep lane, that's what they call it, I guess. Traction control. This is to put it in sport mode. When you click on there, you're putting it in sport mode. This is the winter mode. So we'll leave it in sport mode for now. Automatic transmission, RS package, says RS there. So this one you can put it down here on L, and then you can shift it manually if you like here. Take a look at the USB's auxiliary plug here. Open this up here, power plug. Super nice. Air conditioning. Controls are here. When you move them here on the dial, it shows you the temperature there. So this has one temperature controller, and this is the fan controller. And also, whenever you select anything, it actually moves it right on the screen so you can see it a little better. This one's really nice. Heated seats on both sides in the front. It's a nice feature. Let's turn those off for now. Really nice. Beautiful display here on top. I believe it's an 8-inch. Let's go into the information here, the home. So you can go ahead and select one of these sources, which is AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, or Bluetooth. Click on that there. set up your phone through there. Wi-Fi settings, if you guys want to subscribe to that, you can set up Wi-Fi on the phone, on the vehicle, and pair off of that. Collision detection, this one has forward collision detection, pedestrian detection, and rear backup camera with parking symbols, parking assist symbols. Okay, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, OnStar, climate control. You want to see it through there, super nice. And then if you go like this, you can leave it on the screen. It's going to show you whoever you're connected to on the phone, shows you whatever's playing on the radio. Okay, so we'll leave it on that screen. Parking brake, you go ahead and remove it here or put it here. This is electric, so just press the button right there. Parking brake release. There you go, that's all it is. Parking brake set, parking brake release. Fantastic. Let's take a look at the dashboard. Dashboard's in beautiful condition, looks amazing, brand new, very nice condition. Look at the little stitching here in red, the little accents in red there with the silver. Beautiful condition, looks amazing, very nice. Inside the glove box here, full set of books right there. Push button start, front and rear wiper controls. Let's check out the turning signals, working perfect. Automatic lights and fog lights on this one. Power window controls and mirror controls. Super nice. Take a look at the steering wheel. Leather wrap steering wheel all the way through here on top. And on the bottom it has a special cut. Looks really nice, super sharp. Really nice looking steering wheel. Amazing condition. Up above here you have your OnStar buttons here. You have your passenger airbag light there. It lets you know when it's on or off. If you have a small child or whatever, they can sit there as long as they're under, I think, 60 pounds or something. That way the airbag doesn't affect them. Take a look at that there. Visors with lights. Really nice. Let's take a quick look at the liner. Liner looks good. Really nice condition. Up here on the side does have a couple little scuffs here on that panel, but besides that looks very nice. This one is perfect, doesn't have anything shown. Okay, this is pretty much it. All right, stay tuned guys, we're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set, take for a test drive here we go. Super nice drive, feels super smooth. Really quick. Very nice drive. Brakes feel good. Stops on a dime. Steering wheel's nice and smooth. Really nice drive. Went over a speed bump, feels really smooth. Turn ratio is really good. The only thing left to do is check out the backup camera, show you how it functions and everything, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so we'll select the spot here. Here we go. So you just aim to where the vehicle is going to roll back. You can see there, as you turn the steering wheel, those little lines adjust on the screen. So it gives you which way the vehicle is going to roll back. Pretty much that's it. Okay, that's going to conclude our test drive on this one. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the cargo area in the back, the tires, and take a look under the hood. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear cargo area in the back. Really nice. Got some lighting there when it's nighttime. Very nice. Below here, look at that, spare tire. Below that, all the jack and the tools. Really nice. It's got some extra storage here on the side. Really amazing condition. Couple pockets here on both sides here. Very nice. Looks brand new. Very nice condition. Amazing shape. Okay, we're taking a look under the hood. This 2023 Chevy Trailblazer. Beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Let's take a closer look. Really amazing condition. Super clean. Very nice shape. Look at that. Amazing. Okay, we're looking at the front tire on the driver's side. Tire's in amazing condition. Looks brand new. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the driver's side. Beautiful shape. Rim is clean and outstanding condition. Look at that. Very nice. Take a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Amazing condition. Looks brand new. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Very nice. Really nice condition. All right, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire's in brand new condition. Very nice shape. Look at the rim. Amazing condition. Beautiful shape throughout. Okay, that's going to conclude our video for this 2023 Chevrolet Trailblazer RS package. Vehicle's in beautiful condition. It's got about 29,000 miles on the clock. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutoSales.com. Thanks for watching.